A special shout out to each and every single one of my YouTube members for helping to support the channel.
Hey everybody, and welcome to today's Ice Cream Beauty bag and Ice Cream Beauty box unboxing. This is for April. Trying to think what month we're in. I'm gonna just be honest, my head is all over the place. I got a lot going on, so that's all I gotta say about that. Anywhoosy whatsy, let's go ahead and jump in. If you've never heard of Ice Cream Beauty box or bag, this is actually a monthly subscription. It is extremely makeup heavy, so if you are looking to expand or grow your makeup collection, I think this is going to be a really good subscription for you guys. They did send this in PR, so thank you so much to Ice Cream Beauty box for thinking of your girl and including me and sending this over my way. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's start off with the beauty bag. The beauty bag is actually, I don't want to misquote because my brain, like I said, it's all over the place. So just to double check before I give you the actual price, the bag is in fact $12.50. It does say in here that shipping is calculated separately. You will get 3 to 5 full-size items per bag and an average retail value of almost or at $65. So the first item that I see in here is by Beauty Creations, and it's brow soap. And I'm pretty sure this is what my girl Jody was talking about today. We were video chatting and she said the brow stuff from Ice Cream really holds her brows well. So let's just see. Oh, how cool is that? Why do I want to smell it? Not really much of a scent. So it's just a clear brow soap. Okay, so you probably have to wet your spoolie. This is exactly what she was talking about, because she said, oh yeah, not like it's not leaving anything like white cast or anything on my brows, and they're staying in place. So there you go. Works good. So it does say it's colorless. It locks brows in place and creates a fluffy and feathered effect. Best result, use wet instant thickening. Love that. Let's see if there's a card in here. There is. So this does have a retail value of $6. All right, next in here we've got a Clarity Cosmetics lip gloss / oil. This one is the lip gloss. You may have gotten an oil for $14 retail value. I love glosses. Ooh, look how fun that one is. All right, let's test it out. No scent. I like the doe foot. Ooh, I like this one. It's so pretty. It's like shifty and iridescent-y. I don't know if you guys can see, but that is so pretty. I'm not noticing any type of tingle or anything, so I guess it's just a basic type of lip gloss. I like that. I think the color is really pretty too. All right, and then we have last in here a palette, the Brilliant Trend Beauty palette in your typical type of cardboard case. Very pretty and rainbowy. How cute is that? I'm not gonna swatch it because if y'all know, you know. This is most definitely not my kind of palette, but it is really pretty. I am gonna gift it. It has a really good size mirror. That is very pretty though. You guys know me. I start sweating when I get into colors. So it is a pretty palette, and it does have a retail value of $25. So overall, this is a really good bag, guys. Bang for your buck, 100%. Okay, let's go ahead and jump into the subscription box. Now this one is $29.99. That does include shipping, free shipping, 5 to 7 full-size items per box, and an average retail value of about $120. First and foremost, here's the little box. I love they have the card front and center. All right, this gives you a little information about everything in the box. And in here you are always guaranteed a full-size palette. The first item in here is by Estate, and this is the Sorbet Liquid Blush, and it has a $15 retail value, and it is in the shade Cherry. Ooh, that's pretty. I really like that. Oh, that color is really, really pretty. It's really nice and soft, but I feel like you could totally build that up really nicely. What in the world? Next in here we have 3 of these eyeshadow based primers from Beauty Creation. Each one is worth $6. How fun is that? Haley is gonna love that. Oh my goodness. And she's gonna love that colorful palette. Oh, that is so cool. That is really fun to have included something like that. There is a theme for April, and it's Bunny Kisses and Beauty Wishes. So I feel like just reading that makes me think very much springtime colors. Between the blush and just these items right here, I feel the spring vibes. All right, next in here, we've got Medusa lipstick makeup, and this is in the shade Fever. And this does have a retail value of $14. So there's that. Okay, I know you're probably shocked, but I actually really like this color. I feel like you could go really light. Oh yeah, that's gorgeous. See, when you blend it out a little bit, that's definitely like the Gemini Liquid Lippy from Ofra Cosmetics. I love that. Love, love, love that. That's a great color. Next in here is by Charmacy Milano. It's a duochrome liner, and these actually have a retail value of $21. Oh, it's just one. This packaging is so extra. I low-key really like it. Oh yeah. All right, so yeah, this is definitely gonna go to my youngest. My youngest loves fun little sparklies. So yeah, that is really pretty though. You can definitely already see the duo shift in there. Say hi to baby. She just does her thing. All right, next and last in here, like I said, we always get a palette in this box, and we did get a palette from Bunny Love. This palette is by Sugar Drizzle Cosmetics with a $40 retail value. It is absolutely adorable. Girl. My mom got us that blanket for Christmas, and it's literally her favorite blanket. Do you guys see her making biscuits up there? My husband, I have this sweater on with my outfit, and he's like, feels it, and he is, oh, she's gonna love you. I'm like, what do you mean? And he is, that's a biscuit making sweater. But yeah, she'll get up there, she'll make biscuits for a little bit. All right, so Sugar Drizzle Cosmetics, this is one that I'm like 99% sure my friend Heather Austin always says is such a wonderful eyeshadow formula. Oh my god, this is so precious. Okay, this is the epitome of Easter colors to me. I think that is adorable. And funny enough, I love this because you know why? We've got some calm shades in here. I love the blush shades. Oh yeah, that is really, really pretty. We've got a nice highlighter. I love the blushers. Love the shades. Definitely gonna use that. I love this. Yeah, I really like that. It reminds me of the shade in one of Huda Beauty's palettes. Unfortunately, I feel like every time I try and use that shade in the palette I'm thinking, it always hard panned it on me. So I really like that that was not hard panning. Those are not the best swatches. Really like this palette a lot. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. If some of the shades scare you, just cover them up. Look how beautiful that is. I just think that is absolutely beautiful. That's a happy palette. That is a very happy palette. Anyways, that is everything in the Ice Cream beauty box. And honestly, once again, I feel like they knocked it out of the ballpark when it comes to curating with thought. I always tell you guys, I feel like Ice Cream Beauty Box is truly one of the few that put their heart into creating and curating a box. I think that when boxes come up with themes for their boxes, you know, like the Bunny Kisses and Beauty Wishes, and then if you look at their whole like color scheme to the postcard, she matches that, you know. And I really love when brands put that extra thought into their box, you know what I mean? I mean, for me, if I was a brand and I had my own subscription box, 100% I would do that. I feel like for me, I've unboxed Ice Cream Beauty Box for years. We're talking, golly geez, probably close to 5 years. And I've never felt like I'm unboxing afterthoughts. I always feel like even when they first started out and couldn't maybe potentially afford the biggest brands in their box, they always did a good job of giving us a perfectly curated, it makes sense kind of box, if that makes sense. So anyways, I'd love to hear you guys' thoughts down below. I'm hopping off. I'm gonna go probably lay down and rest and all of that, but I hope you guys are having a wonderful day wherever you're at. Until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah. Bye.
Say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me.